This is a scary test sound for a scary tutorial video. Hello my good friend, I hope you are in great condition. Today we want to learn how to apply such a sound effect to the voice of our subject in Premiere software. So we go to the Premiere software. Okay guys, as you can see, I have already imported my video to the timeline panel. I will play it so that we can see a preview of the work. This is a scary test sound for a scary tutorial video. Okay. The sound you heard is completely natural without any effects. If I click on the sound, you will see in the effects controls section that no effect has been applied to it. If this panel is not active for you, you can come to the window section and choose the effects control to active it. Okay, I open the effects panel. Okay. In search section, I search for analog delay. Okay, and it is shown for me. It is shown to me from the audio effects section. Okay, I select it and drag and drop to my audio. Very good. In the effects control panel, in the analog delay effect, there is a button called edit, which I click. Now here through this menu there are various preferences that we can see. Also you can increase or decrease these numbers manually. Now we will test some of these to get familiar. For example, I choose Hot Fusion. Okay, and play. Okay, it becomes very professional. For example, I select the drain pipe and play drain pipe and play. This is a scary test sound for a scary tutorial video. Okay, I close the panel. Thank you very much for liking this video, commenting and sharing with your friends. If you want to have more free tutorials, be sure to subscribe my channel.